Kurt Cobain landing. This is at the Kurt Cobain landing in Aberdeen, Washington. Little dedication guitar. I always love to look at everybody's little stickers. We got the air guitar. I play so wonderful with the air guitar. There's fridge. Then here. Kurt Cobain Memorial Park, February 20, 1967 to April 5th, 1994. The park, owned by the city of Aberdeen and maintained by the Aberdeen Parks Department. And then it just tells you all those, you know. Wonderful musician. I hold no judgment of how life was, is, but I pay my respects to him. Many people have been here. I always like to read them so that where do bad folks go when they die? And it's written upside down. Happy birthday, Kurt. 220. Oh, they came here. Here we are now. I'm not like them, but I can pretend. Oh, that must be chalk people write. Oh, it's ink and chalk. Kind of like a chalkboard, but come as you are. I like that one too. I'm my girl, don't lie to me. Tell me where did you sleep last night? Gone but not forgotten. Met you in 1992. Back in 2025. Be well. All in all is all we are. Rest in peace, Kurt. That's a good one, too. Who I am and loved for who I am not. Kurt Cobain. Think I am dumb or maybe just happy. Okay, I'll take the corner. One last corner. Go back to school. Cold-blooded. Yeah, I don't like that one. No recess. Here we are now. Entertain us. You are not loved. Oh, that's not nice. Go back to school. Well, I don't know about this side. But I like the little thing there.